Hello friends, today we are going to make a fire truck. We've made in a previous and very old video that was made last year. We made a fire truck, but this fire truck is different. Not differently ugly, but it works. Wheel, wheel, wheel. So let's see what parts it has. So it has a ladder, it can go up and down. It has a basket to take people, not to take fruits and all. And it moves also. We have the motor, obviously, to make it move. And here the siren, like every fire truck should have. The window so people can see. This number board and the base and the walls, obviously. So, and here's the ladder. So let's see how to build our best part about the video.